and 3. It was
Did my microphone ever get better?
Yeah.
Or was it just bad the whole... Okay.
I think it was something with when the game started up and it was being super dumb.
Right.
Alright. Good start to custom zombies.
Yeah, that was a really good find. Since I installed it on my hard drive, I'll always have the game installed. How hot is it in your room right now?
Let's find out. Not too bad. I always say that though. It's 88.
Mike. Alright. The goal is 100. Only 11 more. My average speed on pickup's pretty good. I just need to...
Dude,
Well,
I need a Dream Swing background.
Honestly. Oh, I thought there was one over there. It debated me. Oh, crap. I feel like I'm not doing well here.
This is like the tiniest image. Here we go.
Come on. Alright. Would have picked up the pace here.
There we go.
Alright, never mind. Screw it up. Ooh. Not something you want to see. Oh my goodness. Missing so many orbs. No way. No, no way. No way I missed it. Why does it feel like when I get to 80, I just have to start sucking immediately?
Mm-hmm. That's me in the 70s. It's just like always a throw.
Alright, I got 90.
Nice. What was your best on this one?
90.
Previously?
89.
Oh, okay.
The elusive 100, man. I gotta get it. Okay.
You're kidding. How'd that kill my speed?
I feel like my routing here is not good. Oh no, I didn't get through. Yep, high 60s. Once again. High 60s?
70s, my bad.
I was gonna say you gotta step up your game. Not to say that you always don't need to step up your game. That would be
I
the
know.
point, but what I mean. Okay. It's a bit terrifying. You want me to be completely 100 with you. Okay, my face insanely itchy right now in like 4 spots. So safe to say that hustlers don't stop. So yeah, but just know that man, I really wish I could itch my face right now, scratch my face.
Three orbs on 3 completely opposite ends of the map. Love to see it. Fantastic. You're joking. You are joking. I was in flow state and the game just ruined that.
Give me it. I should have jumped there. Give me it. All right, 93.
Nice.
Rank 18. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna do like one more run, then I'm probably gonna stop because I'm pretty tired.
Okay. There's no way every single time.
No. Mm. Oh crap. Oh crap. That was a huge loss there. Ah, 96.
Dang, dude. You're like right there.
So close I can taste it, bro. One more.
The one mores have been paying off today.
Have they?
Yeah. I hate this starting situation.
Yeah, it's definitely not easy. Oh no. Come on. No, this one's bad. Especially after that. I don't know how I didn't grapple, but... I'll finish it, but... 3.26 seconds per orb. Come on. Yeah, another 93. Alright, yeah, hold on, one more. Just give me one more. This one's definitely gotta be it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this will be going on all night.
I'll be here all night.
Dude, are you kidding me? I couldn't even get 81. So I've been on a mad listening spree of Blank Space by Taylor Swift.
I just want to let you know that it's a conversation piece for our non-existent conversation because we're focusing. Imagine if we were like entertaining people. That'd be insane for this game.
That's not possible. The gameplay is the entertainment. Imagine seeing Spider-Man and not being entertained.
Hey, who said I wasn't?
No, I mean like the gameplay of this.
Oh, yeah, true.
Also glad you enjoyed the movies.
I will say, I don't know if this is a common opinion, but the second one being like crazy better than the first one was something I was like, I mean, yeah, I guess it's good. I liked it a lot, but I still think the first one was like super good. And I think they're very close in quality.
Yeah. I think for like animation quality, the second one was better.
See, the thing is, I think with the second one, they just had more stuff to work with. I don't think it's like it was better or worse. And I honestly think they losing the very, very incredibly minor spoilers here, losing the Brooklyn aesthetic. There's a lot less of it in the second movie, and I personally love the whole like drawn on like random shots would turn into like comic and stuff like that, and that almost never happened in the second movie, which I was
That's true.
kind of sad about.
Especially with that being such a like a staple thing of the first movie.
Right. Yeah. That's why that was like my number one favorite thing about the movie was just the whole aesthetic of it, and it kind of lost that when it rightfully took a wayside for other things. 92. I'm going again.
It's looking like a 75, maybe a 76 here. Never mind, probably looking like a 60.
That happened.
Can I even get 70 with
Oh, I
this?
suck.
We're having like the same thought. Alright, I'll hit 70. $76.
Nice.
I really know how to call exactly what I'm gonna get. I'll be disappointed in it. Game. How hard is it to grab a single orb? Don't know how many times I've just like fused through one. but that one grabs. Sure.
Oh. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, man. That was rough. That was point 10 there. Six. Ugh.
There's no way I missed that.
I was so tired. Fall asleep at my desk.
How? How?
Well, I'm gonna close my eyes.
You should do that.
Because you said how, so I was like, haha.
There's no way. How often I can do like 20 360s to like keep my speed, and then all of a sudden I form like through the orb and don't collect it. New personal best, I guess. Good.
Nice. Good improvement.
Still not beating Hez. Would need 2 more. And then I think he would still be above if I was at this time. Yeah, it looks like tie goes to whoever collected it first. I should probably also stop for the night.
Yeah. Okay. This was very fun. Thank you for having me on the stream as always. Let's play some more modded zombies sometime.
It was fun. Cleared the fiery fields or whatever it was called. Glad that's over.
Yeah.
We kind of gamed. All right. Cool stuff. Dream Swing's really fun. Buy the game.
It's only like $2, so you can go buy it and compete against us. Very addicting. Relaxing.
Yeah,
And stressful all at the same time.
it is. But stressful in the way where you just want to play more.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with Remnant. Other streams. Who knows? I don't. So have a good night.
See ya.